ទី
ដាក់ថៃទី Thailand ឯងគាត់
ហ្នឹងហើយផែនទី more than just Manhattan and capital. Angkor Wat is an important religious center when Buddhism and other
Like most important things in Cambodia.
កោសាទៅមើលនេះមានតែចិត្តណាទៅមើលអញ្ចឹងចិត្តវិសាខាងខ្លួនឡានមកអាមកទៅ
Chichen Itza.
Chị there
Mexico.
Chichen Itza មានស្រីនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងមិនដែរស្អាតអូនក្បាច់វាស្អាតទៀវឥឡូវស្អាតណាស់ធ្វើប្រូអីបាទនេះគេហៅស្អីខ្ញុំភ្លេចហើយលីនីថៅលីនីថៅខ្ញុំទៅដែរនៅ
Leaning.
At its peak, around 800 years ago, Angkor was the most extensive city the world had ever known. But then, the Khmer Empire entered a period of decline from which it would never recover. What happened to its people? Discover the secrets of an ancient empire and what we can learn from its demise. View more than